In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in Blade Ball. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the options that you have to initiate a 1v1 battle in Blade Ball. So, in here, you will be able to browse through various game modes that allow you to 1v1 other players. So when you join any random lobby, all that you have to do is go over to the server selection. So, in here, you will be able to browse through duels, and you might have the option to do a multiplayer session. So usually, you want to go over to duels. This is going to be the primary way to do 1v1s. You can choose anyone who is currently in your lobby. This will allow you to get you into your team, and once they are in here, you will be able to click start. They will have to accept this. Alternatively, you can go over to the training mode, and in here, you will be able to do single player or multiplayer. Now, what I recommend if you just want to 1v1 a friend is to create a multiplayer room. So as you can see, you can give it any random name, choose the game mode over here, which usually is going to be classic, and then I'm going to leave the map on classic. Make sure that you customize the player count. So if you are doing 1v1, you can set the player count to 2. This allows you to create a custom multiplayer training session. And as you saw, all that your friends have to do is go over to the multiplayer tab and choose the option to select this multiplayer server that you have created. So when they go over to the server selection, all that they have to do is access training mode and browse through the servers. So I'm gonna go back to demonstrate how this would look. One of you will be hosting the server and the other person just has to join the hosted server. So let's say I was the one joining the server. What I would do once I load it into the lobby is to go over to the server selector and go over to training mode. Now I would be able to go over to multiplayer and find the server that was made, just like I taught you before. So this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in Blade Ball. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.